Hello students, welcome you all to Shunya IAS. We are very happy to bring you the Marks Booster Academics in Ethics case studies. Particularly in ethics paper, we find a block that 90 to 100 marks, the students get stuck, even those who are in their third or fourth attempt. This is the right time, particularly in the month of December, then you can give a fillip to your preparation in the ethics. From tomorrow, we are going to start this batch. This will be a 3-day class, live classroom, online as well as offline. So from 90 marks or 100 marks, how to go up to 120 marks plus? Part A, most of you study, very ardently you study the part A of ethics. But what is the core demand, particularly in terms of the structure, the tools and techniques? In the case studies, we will explore in the live classroom cum workshop, where you will be live writing the case studies also. More than 50 case studies will be tackling as per the new trend of UPSC. The different tools that we'll use, just like the stakeholders, कैसे कैसे हम stakeholders की नई approaches ला सकते हैं, in which question the demand is there for the stakeholders, how do we analyze the ethical issues, ethical dilemmas, and how to generate the different points. Some of you might cram certain points and feel the repetition of writing the same points again and again into the case studies. उसके लिए option generation pyramid is there. In the structural format, we will understand how to generate more and more options, how to prioritize your options, and in which structure you should be writing it. Then ethical decision making. That ethical decision making will be done in a most logical fashion, so that you can justify to the examiner in the most argumentative way that this is the most logical expression I am getting, most logical argument I am getting, and this is the process I have followed. In the case study, the marks is allocated to the ethical reasoning that you have done. So we will understand the process of ethical reasoning involving various ethical principles, various philosophers, various scholars, and how to involve it with the governance, with the process of governance, rule making, rule of law, as well as the implication of role of law in the answer writing. The skills of persuasion. Most of the time in the ethical case studies, you have to resolve a problem to come to a conclusion. How to persuade, how to create that social impact that the change can be brought, what the process you will follow, that is needed over there. So let me tell you, 3 days, 3 hours class each day. Okay. Handouts and worksheets will be given in the classroom. Handouts and worksheets will be given to you, in which you will be writing the case studies directly, and we will write in the classroom. Previous year questions of ethics case studies, we will be discussing the PYQs of the case studies, how the pattern has evolved, what kinds of questions UPSC is asking, and 5 worksheets will be evaluated also, 1 case studies each. Live answer writing in the classroom, so that you can understand, live ask the doubts also, that where you are finding that block in you. Offline classes only at Delhi Center, and you can check on the website, offline Delhi Center tab particularly, you have to go onto the website, there you can register for it. Online live classes will be there, check on the website, video course tab. So on the website video course tab, you can find online live classes. Number of classes 3, and total number of case studies that will be dealt is 50 plus approximately. So thank you and see you in the class.